Streaming services like Spotify, Apple, Amazon, Google, and YouTube Music, etc., have made it much easier to find and access your favorite music in high fidelity with just a touch of a button. But for most people, that may be limited to just the living room or bedroom. Or it may be a portable Bluetooth speaker you would have to carry around with you. But what if you want to stream the same music to different rooms in your home at the same time? Or play different music in different parts of the house? Here's a tip. Don't start drilling holes and connecting wires. The solution to this problem is Wi-Fi enabled multi-room speakers. In this video, we'll give you an overview on wireless multi-room speaker setups and guide you through the process of getting one for your home. A great wireless multi-room speaker setup relies on the following elements: high-speed internet connection with a Wi-Fi router, speakers and AV equipment with wireless multi-room support, a smartphone or a tablet, and abundant power supply outlets. Start with your wireless network. Your wireless network will enable you to set up and connect multiple speakers and play music through connected devices. So as long as your rooms have a good coverage of your wireless home network, you won't have any issues with multi-room playback. If you have a huge or a multi-storied house, be sure to have an access point with a high dBi for even signal coverage. Else, you could just deploy a Wi-Fi extender, booster or repeater in rooms with dead spots or poor signal strength. Your Wi-Fi network is the backbone of your multi-room wireless speaker setup. Speakers and AV equipment with wireless multi-room support. A host of speakers and AV equipment from reputed brands have proprietary multi-room technologies built in to connect and speak or interface with each other. Popular multi-room or multi-speaker platforms include Yamaha's MusicCast, Denon's HEOS, B&W's Formation series, the Sonos system, and Flare Connect for Onkyo and Pioneer equipment. These equipment can connect and interface with equipment that integrate their respective proprietary technologies. Other more open and commonly found systems include DTS's Play-Fi, Apple AirPlay 2, Google's Chromecast, and Spotify Connect. You start with a single speaker or your favorite room and then expand from there. At this point, we would recommend having an AV or a stereo receiver with multi-room support such as the Denon AVR X1600H or X2600H with HEOS, or the Pioneer VSX 934 and VSX LX 303 with Flare Connect in the living room. The receiver can act as a command and control center for all the speakers, rooms or zones. Be sure all the equipment is compatible with each other. For example, if you have an HEOS enabled Denon AV receiver in the living room, make sure all the other room speakers support HEOS, a smartphone or tablet. An important step in multi-room playback is the smartphone app that helps you control where and how you want to play music. The app uses proprietary multi-room technologies built into the speakers to connect and speak to each other. With the app, you'll be able to group the speakers into a single network. Most apps also have easy access to all of the top streaming services. It would make sense grouping or organizing the speakers based on rooms or zones for easy accessibility. You will require a smartphone, tablet or device with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to install and use the app. We would recommend using a spare smartphone or having a dedicated tablet or device for the app. The same device can also be used for your other home automation requirements, freeing up your personal devices. In a nutshell, the device is like a control hub for all connected speakers, devices, and streaming services. Abundant power supply outlets. These multi-room wireless speaker technologies give you the building blocks to easily create a totally wireless home sound system. However, it is important to know that the term wireless implies cord cutting in terms of long and messy wires running from the amplifiers to the speakers. Most multi-room speakers are powered or active or rechargeable battery powered with built-in amplification. This means the speakers will need abundant outlets to power up or charge the devices. Here are some key tips you may find useful. Some multi-room speakers also allow you to share audio from devices such as TVs, CD players, iPods, vinyl players, FM/AM receivers, and network-attached storage devices, etc. For large spaces, use a high wattage speaker or perhaps even a soundbar with a subwoofer. For areas prone to high moisture, water splash, and dust such as bathrooms or patios, opt for weatherproof models with higher IP or ingress protection ratings. You can also integrate Amazon's Echo with Alexa and Google Assistant enabled home or Nest smart equipment to bring voice-based control to your setup. All in all, Wi-Fi enabled multi-room speakers have made it much easier to stream the same music to different rooms in your home at the same time, or play different music in different parts of the house for a high-fidelity multi-room listening experience. To know more about wireless home speakers, visit our website, click the link in the description below, or get in touch with Uberpad support. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.